Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Yamaha R3. Lightweight, super sport, ABS brakes, twin cylinder, fuel injected. This bike is in really beautiful shape, only 1,500 miles. It's got an aero exhaust, sounds beautiful, fender eliminator, smoke windscreen. It's got bar end weights. Really cool bike. Come by, make your lightweight Yamaha sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.